This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics ready: mobile data active and a data-capable USB cable. First, plug the phone into the Windows 7 PC. Use a direct port, not a hub. Once connected, unlock the phone and change USB mode to USB tethering or internet sharing. This initiates device networking. You may see a device driver pop up on Windows 7. Let it search automatically. If drivers are missing, pause here and install phone-specific drivers from the manufacturer before proceeding. Once Windows detects the phone, open Control Panel and go to Network and Sharing Center. Then click Change Adapter Settings. You should see a new Local Area Connection or Remote NDIS adapter appear. Right-click it and choose Properties to check Internet Protocol version 4 settings. Ensure Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. After that, return to the adapter and choose Diagnose if the icon shows limited connectivity. Windows will attempt fixes and finish by opening your browser and loading a web page. That confirms tethering works. If pages fail to load, toggle mobile data, then disable and re-enable USB tethering on the phone. This often forces a fresh network handshake. If problems persist, reboot both devices and try a different USB port. A key troubleshooting tip: missing or outdated phone drivers on Windows 7 are the most common blocker. Download the vendor driver, install it, then reconnect to get the adapter online and maintain a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.